When you buy and install a brand new deck, there's often pre-treatment present on the deck to protect it from the elements for the first 6 months. This is great, but it does prevent you from getting the deck looking exactly how you want it. And that's because that pre-treatment can reject the new coatings that you want to put down. So we need to remove it. And we can do that using 2 Ronseal products. We've got Ronseal's ready to use decking cleaner and reviver, and we've got our decking applicator to clean it as well. To check and see whether your deck has pre-treatment on it, you can sprinkle a small amount of water on the deck. If it beads, you've got pre-treatment, which needs to be removed, and you can use these products to do that. If the water falls into the deck, then you're good to go. That's a good way to tell if your cleaner has worked as well. If it beads, you need to do it again. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.